Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Laser pad reshapes the jawline profile. Parameter setting. Recommended mode, A. Recommended energy level, 3. Recommended working time, 20 minutes. Secure the head with a strap and place the small laser pads on the chin area. Activate the treatment and wait for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. Take 1 to 2 sessions per week, with a complete course of treatment comprising 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy and lactation, heart disease or wearing a pacemaker, unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery phase, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism or malignant tumors, skin disease or infectious disease.